Hello friends, my name is Sagar Kapadia. Today I will teach you how to use the font or some icons into your project dynamically. Dynamically means you just need to make one component for this and change icon by using only writing the name of this icons. So first of all, we are going to make one button for this. We are writing a text button, color of the color of the text white. We are grouping this into, and we are going to edit one icon into here. First of all, there is no any font file, so you just need to write one home. Delete this instance, write the home here, and you need to change icons of the font of some 5 free. Make sure you must select the solid. If you select the regular, it will not come font awesome icon. You must need to select the solid icon. So here button is ready. So this is our component. You must need to make this component by using create component and create a dynamically font for this icon. Click on this home, and here there is a written the name of the icons home. Go to here, create a text property for this icons. You can write it anything about the icon name. Create the property. Here you can see uh, icon name written here. Okay, next thing, you just need to create the instance of this component by using a alter key. Now if you want to change this icon, click on this component, and you can find the icon name into here. Here we wrote home. Instead of we if want one any search icon, we just need to write the search icons. If you want any bell notification, we can do. If you want any mail icon, here you go. So what the name you can find out here, you just need to in the Google you need to write the font or some 5 cheat sheet and click on this first link. So on the first link you will get all the name of the icon. So you just need to write the name of the icons into here. If you want any notification, or maybe uh, let me do that again. If you want any arrow icon, then you can write arrow left. Okay, got it. So please share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.